In the next training video of this series, we're going to create your Instagram account. To sign up for your Instagram account, you come to Instagram.com, and if you already have a Facebook account, you can log in with Facebook, or you can enter your mobile number or email here and create the account. You'll want to put your full name, a username, and a password, and then sign up. You also have on this page the download buttons, so you can download the app on your phone, or you can also download the desktop versions. If you already have an account with Instagram, you can log in from this page as well. I've opened an incognito window, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new Instagram account just for my quilts. I'm a quilter, and instead of mixing all of my quilting posts amongst business posts and grandchildren posts and friend posts and fashion posts, I'm going to create a brand new account using a Gmail account I've created specifically for that purpose. What I've done is I've set up a Gmail account, and I'm going to use it here in Instagram for this account. If you've never set up an Instagram account, or you don't want to use your Facebook account to set one up at this point, this is what you would do. Right here, you can either put in a mobile phone number or an email. So I'm going to put in my quilt-specific email. Now I still have to fill in my name, and my username on this account is going to be Grandma Quilts. Here I'll create a password and then click sign up. So now I have an account, and it's asking me if I want to turn on notifications. Know right away when people follow you or like you and comment on your photos. So yes, we're going to turn these on, and we've created our account. Here's our account profile, so you can see we have a valid account, and that's how easy it is to set up a brand new Instagram account with an email. At this point, we've only created a new Instagram account. We haven't connected it to a personal Facebook page, but I wanted to mention here, it's so easy to create an Instagram account. The account we just made is what I call a niche account. I created the email grandmaquilts@gmail.com for the specific purpose of creating an Instagram account centered around my quilting. Whatever your interests are, or whatever type of niche audience you're wanting to speak to, you can easily create a separate Instagram account for that audience. And it can all come under one personal Facebook account. Now, this isn't a business account we're talking about yet. We'll get to that later in the training. Next, we're going to talk about connecting your Instagram account to your personal Facebook account. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video.